Assalamu alaikum. We are from UAE.
Brazil. We're from Peru.
Russia.
I'm from Cameroon. Summer camp is actually the fact that I wanted to learn more about IoT and how we could actually use AI to connect things from our daily life. I saw that this school was one of the best in this field, so I wanted to come here and also be able to have my courses in English.
And I came to study in the summer school program because I wanted something out there. I wanted something different, something more hands-on. That's exactly what the summer school provides. It provides real life, hands-on experience with many different people and different expertise as well, which is why I chose to come here.
My biggest gain was improving my entrepreneur thinking because we had so many different kind of projects where we got able to visit like different kind of feedback from the teachers here, and also with that we could like reproduce and reconstruct our whole idea. And I think the thinking in general was like really the biggest gain for me.
During a 4-week summer school, I would say I learned so much, not just about technical devices, but about the people, about the culture of China. It is such a rich, inviting culture, and it was such a pleasure to be able to be a part, an integral part of this. As well as this, I was able to talk to many different people in my industry especially, who were in places I would like to see myself in the future. Doing this was amazing for me as it helped me to understand what else I could do outside the country I'm from. If I wanted to do something in business in China, or even expand to other countries, this is something you cannot get in a normal classroom and makes XJTLU so much different than anywhere else.
In the summer school was definitely the school trips because I could gain insights in a lot of different topics, and also they were really, really fun.
Create an environment for everyone so everyone can feel free and work like how they want to, and I think with open-minded communication it really worked well.
You have people from different backgrounds but also different level of knowledge in different fields, so we just try to help each other as brothers actually, and then everything went well.
Come here and visit the school if you're interested in entrepreneurship, learning some new skills, finding some new friends, and also explore China as a culture.
I just thought, obviously, coming from a non-STEM background, I felt included. I felt like I was part of this team. Yeah, I just say everyone should join this program.
Challenge. That would be my word to describe this entire experience. Challenge. And I feel like everyone should challenge themselves. Whether you're very confident, more reserved, this summer school is such an amazing way to challenge yourself and push yourself out of your comfort zone. I feel like everyone should definitely have the time to do this, as it helps you grow and develop so much as a person, not just within academics, but just inside as a person yourself. You become a whole new person. I know the difference between me coming here and me leaving. I'm a completely different person now. I've learned so many things I'm forever grateful for. So thank you, XJTLU.
So the university is exploring the new model of education, which we call integrative education. So under this new model, we actually encourage all students, learners, all people to pay attention to those key challenges in the industry, in the society, and work together with the support of AI to solve these problems. This is actually the philosophy and a key idea in designing this summer school. Hold this summer school to hope to invite people, participants across the world who are interested in these topics or challenges to work together to contribute to the development of the economic and society.